How to make a sticker on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Now, go to the edit options on the right side of the screen and tap on the cut icon over here. Using this option, you can outline an object with your finger to make a sticker. Make a sticker of the object you want by outlining it with your fingers. You can move and place the sticker wherever you want on the screen. You can also delete it if you want by moving it down to the delete icon at the bottom. The stickers that you make are saved in the sticker icon option on the right side of the page, right above the cut icon. You can make as many stickers as you want and decorate your snap however you like. Following these steps, you can easily make a sticker on Snapchat.